Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Ballroom Mastery, the routine episode. I'm here with Brittany today. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
All right, are you ready to dance? Are you ready to dance at home? All right, we're gonna start with the waltz today, looking at the basic waltz, focusing on the reverse turns. Of course, we're gonna use those to overturn a little bit, just to go down the line of dance properly. And then we're gonna look at the whisk and the chasse and spin turn today. And then in the advanced routine, I've picked some choreography, an interesting way to get into the weave from promenade, a very, very popular figure in the waltz. Basic, but not easy by any stretch of the imagination. Something all dancers should focus on at the intermediate and above level are your weaves. Focusing on good footwork, good timing, and of course then a nice platform to develop your lead and follow, to which you could spend the rest of your life developing. So please enjoy dancing the basic waltz and the advanced waltz today.
כשאימא בהנה יפה וצעירה, אז אבא על גבעה בנה לה בית. חלפו האביבים חצי, כשאימא בהנה יפה וצעירה, אז אבא על גבעה בנה לה בית. חלפו האביבים חצי.
Figure names for the basic waltz. So commence with a preparation step and a wind up. Now, natural spin turn. 4, 5, 6 of a reverse turn. Finish facing the line of dance. From here, commence your reverse turn with the lady swinging her leg, turning it strongly in diagonal to center. Reverse turn. And now into the whisk, and then the chasse from promenade with a natural spin turn around a corner, so underturned. So the timing for the basic waltz. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
כשאימא בהנה יפה וצעירה, אז אבא על גבעה בנה לה בית. חלפו האביבים התפאורה, אור שד האקליפטוס, הגשר לסירה, וריח המלוח על המים. אור שד האקליפטוס, הגשר.
Figure names for the advanced waltz. So we start off with our little wind up, our preparation step. There we go, our spin turn. Reverse Corte, our back whisk, our weave from promenade, ending in promenade, chasse from promenade, remain in promenade for 1, 2, 3 of a cross hesitation. Now the outside change, and then any natural figure will do. Timing for the advanced waltz. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us for another routine episode. Make sure you subscribe above somewhere on this page. It's awesome to have you here. Now remember, when you're dancing the waltz, when the music becomes more advanced and you feel it flowing so much, extend beat 2. If you hit every beat with your feet precisely and your body arrives at the same time, you're always going to have trouble because your body will stop and start, stop and start. Waltz is a little bit more tricky because it ebbs and flows. And so the continuation is the trick that we must all master. So as you lower your feet, produce a fall, follow it through with the swing, of course, through the body and the hips, and then using beat 2 to lengthen your musicality will do you a wonderful service over the next couple of years as you develop your waltz. And I did say couple of years because unfortunately it's going to take you a long time to master this dance. It's something that we enjoy doing, but it's tricky at the same time. So focus on good footwork, good timing, and then extending out beat 2 to improve the flow throughout the rest of your development. We look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Thank you for joining us, Brittany.
Thank you.
And thank you at home, and we'll see you in the next episode.